beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and easy recipe. Spaghetti with ground beef that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this easy and delicious ground beef spaghetti, these are the ingredients. I have salt, chicken bouillon, parsley, black pepper, garlic powder, dry onion, of course, a package of Lauri seasoning for spaghetti. I chose Angel spaghetti, nice and thin, 2 cans tomato sauce, and of course 1 pound of ground beef. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and easy spaghetti recipe. So let's get started. I have water boiling. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, and I'm adding 1 packet of spaghetti. You want to cook your spaghetti only for 10 to 15 minutes in high heat. You want to cook it al dente. You want your spaghetti to be al dente. Don't overcook it. This is very important. Once you've cooked it for about 15 minutes, then you are ready to remove. This is a very easy and delicious spaghetti recipe that I know you guys are going to love. Especially if you work and you don't have time, well, you could come home and make this easy and delicious spaghetti. We are going to reserve 1 whole cup of the liquid. Here I have my ground beef, and to the ground beef I am going to add the seasonings. But first I am going to pull it apart, making sure that I pull it apart really good. I'm going to add my chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of each spice. I have garlic powder, onion powder. I'm going to add the black pepper, and I am going to incorporate really good. I am going to leave on the side the parsley. The parsley, I am going to add it towards the end when the spaghetti is done. And here, let me show you. Incorporate all those amazing spices. And when this is done, let me show you how this is going to look. It's easy how to prepare the spaghetti, but it really comes out with lots of flavor. Remember, don't forget to add your parsley at the end. The pan is nice and hot. I added 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil because my ground beef is extra lean. Of course, we want to have control of how much grease we have in our foods. And here I have the parsley. I have the little package of Lauri's spaghetti sauce, 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 cup of the liquid of the spaghetti, and here I am going to cook it in high heat until everything is nice and brown. Look at this. Once everything is just like this, everything is cooked, then we are ready to add the package of the Lauri's spaghetti seasoning. We're going to add it in here. We're going to incorporate it. Right after you incorporate it, we're going to add the tomato sauce. Of course, I'm going to add the liquid into that little bowl of the tomato sauce to remove the excessive tomato that was left behind. I am going to move it around, making sure that everything is nice and coated. And I am going to lower the heat to medium low. I'm going to cook it for about 15 minutes in very low heat. You want the liquid to get nice and thick. You want the meat to really absorb the flavors of the tomato and the spices. And right after your 10-15 minutes, then you are ready to add the spaghetti into it. I love adding the spaghetti this way, incorporating really good into the sauce, into the meat, so that everything is nice and coated. I can't wait to enjoy. This is easy and delicious recipe that I know you guys are going to love. Once, make sure that you taste it just in case you need to add a little bit of salt or chicken bouillon. Remember, the salt is to taste. I'm adding the parsley right on the top. Oh my gosh, this really looks amazing, and I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. Look at this. I hope you enjoy.
If you got to this point and you are loving this easy recipe, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Be part of Cooking with Gloria, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I can't wait to see the presentation, so I'll see you in a bit.
I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit.
This is the part, my friends, that I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see. I added some Parmesan cheese right on the top and added some pepper flakes. Excuse me. Really delicious. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. I hope, my friends, you make this delicious, easy spaghetti at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing, easy recipe. Spaghetti made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.